At Emuca, we don't just create products, we create solutions. For more than 40 years, we've been providing inspiration and a wide range of innovative and competitive solutions for the furniture, carpentry, hardware and DIY sectors. It all starts with a requirement, and we work to deliver the best ideas. Our engineers in the innovation department are dedicated to designing and analyzing the products that will meet your demands, always guaranteeing the highest quality. The result is the creation of innovative solutions, such as our Zero modular structure, which has won several European awards. Our 2 European shipping platforms, with more than 35,000 square meters, guarantee logistical reliability. Thanks to process automation in our warehouses, we achieve a high level of accuracy and service levels of over 95%. In addition, we offer quick access to a large volume of stock, bringing to our customers more than 11 million hinges, more than 7 million slides, more than 1 million drawers, and more than 250 meters of LED strips, among others. All this allows us to export to more than 60 countries, and we have a solid commercial network throughout Europe. But we don't stop there. We enhance your creative capacity through our digital platform, providing you with a wide range of digital resources that will improve your experience and the realization of your projects. In the end, our mission is none other than to provide an omnichannel experience tailored to our more than 5,000 customers, putting people at the center and ensuring sustainable business development. Because at Emuca, trust and reliability go hand in hand. Emuca, where creation begins.